What's going on today, Internet? I got another video for you, and this right here is the Coalition Gaming Crew giveaway machine. And since it's going to a new home, once the rest of the team assembled it, I said, you know what, we gotta fix something, because if this is going to someone who won a contest, this cable management ain't gonna work. Let's get into this. Alright, so this is our giveaway PC for Coalition Gaming. We were doing a giveaway, might do another one in the future, who knows. But this is going to one lucky winner. He already won, so congratulations to you. The thing about this machine that I didn't like was the way that the other guys in the Coalition had done the cable management in this case. It doesn't look up to our standards as a crew, so we're going to go ahead and fix this. And if you're curious about this chassis, I believe this is a Raid Max case. Not entirely sure what model. Shame on me for not being up on that, I know. So when we're dealing with sleeved cables, these cable trainers on here are not gonna work. They're too far apart, they gotta be a little closer, and you gotta kind of pre-train the cable before you put it in. And it just looks kind of crappy, coming down low and all droopy. So we're gonna go ahead and fix that, and let's take a look at the backside, shall we? Not gonna lie, a little bit scared about looking behind the motherboard tray, because I know how some of the guys build their personal builds. Oh man, that's on there tight. That means there's a lot of stuff stuffed in here. Oh God. Wow. Yeah, so when I agreed to redo the cabling because it looked like crap in the front, I didn't realize I was getting myself into this. But this is what we do at Coalition, and then since this is a giveaway, we're going to make sure that we make this as perfect as we can for the new owner. So, what we're going to need here, zip ties. And if you're saying, no, don't use zip ties, use Velcro, what have you, zip ties are fine. Everyone owns a pair of cutters, zip ties are fine. And a pair of flush cutters to get the zip tie nice and tight. Where am I going to even begin? I mean, yeah, that's kind of cool that they're magnetically mounted, but just wow, wow, wow. Okay, we gotta, this is a scary, nightmarish den of, I don't even have words. First things first, this mess of just shoving things in the basement isn't gonna work. So, what we're gonna do first is get the essential stuff managed and then do all the frivolous stuff for the lighting. So, but what you want to do with these sleeved cables to give them a nice consistent look is kind of pre-train them what you want. Because you have to remember, these cable spacers that are on here, we only want to use these where it's visible on the front side of the board to kind of hold the shape. So what I like to do is just use my hand to give it kind of an organic curve while trying to make sure everything stays nice and straight. There we go. That looks pretty sharp. Moment of truth time. Oh, whatever. whatever case this panel does not want to align to the tabs. It's not that it's getting stuck on anything. It just really doesn't want to align to its catch tabs. We're gonna have to do the old-fashioned push method. And I mean old-fashioned. Bada bing, bada boom. Backside all done. And voila. Look at that. That right there looks much better. Don't use ISO on acrylic windows. Just have to throw that out there. Don't do that on acrylic, only on glass. And there it is, all done. All right, congratulations, winner. We've all pretty much touched this bad boy. Thank you, welcome to the Coalition family. All right, guys, if you found this video useful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and I appreciate your feedback and support. As always, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'll see you guys around. Have a great day.